A very good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will be continuing chapter number 10, Time and Calendar. In today's class, we will be doing the questions based on the time elapsed. How to find the time elapsed? Elapsed, it means you have to find the difference in the timing between two different clocks. This we have discussed earlier also. You have done an activity also based on the time elapsed. So now let us do this exercise. The question number 1, it is how many minutes are there? We have to find how many minutes are there. Here the timing of the two different clocks it is given here. It is 11 p.m. and here it is 11:30 p.m. So what I will be doing, I could subtract this. So what I will be getting? 30. So what is the time elapsed here? 30 minutes. Here you can see in the both PM and PM is there. What if I change this one? In one clock, here I am writing AM now instead of PM. And in first clock the timing it is 11:55 AM and here it is 12:30 PM. Here you can see AM and here PM is there. So how we will be solving this question? 11:55 to 12 noon. It is AM, so it is 12 noon. The timing here 5 minutes gap is there, 5 minutes. Yes, and from 12 noon to 12:30 PM, how much difference is there? 30 minutes. So what is the time elapsed? 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5, that is equal to 35 minutes. 35 minutes is the time elapsed between the two clocks. So let us revise this again. Here you can see in the question the timing here it is AM and here it is PM is given. So we cannot do directly the subtraction. What you will be doing first? 11:55 to 12 noon, 5 minutes is there. What does 12 noon it means? 12 noon it means it is 12:00 and 11:55. So how many minutes are there? Between 12 noon to 11:55, 5 minutes. 5 minutes I have written here. And from 12 noon to 12:30, how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. So 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 minutes are there. Now let us do another question. How many hours and minutes are there from? We have to find how many hours and minutes. Here only we have to find the minutes only. Now we have to find the hours and minutes. Both we have to find. How many hours and minutes are there? That we have to find now. Now we have to find how many hours. How many hours or minutes are there? This we have to find how many hours or minutes are there. The first I am writing the timing here, 10:50 AM. 10:50 AM to 12:05 PM. Now we have to find how many hours and minutes are there. So how to solve this type of the question? Let us solve this. So 10:50 a.m. to 11 o'clock. How many minutes are there? 10. After 10 minutes, the timing will be 11 o'clock. It is a.m. Now 11:00 a.m. to 12:00, writing it at noon. 1 hour. 1 hour is there, and from 12 noon to 12:05 p.m. Here 5 minutes is there. Five minutes are there. So now add this all. If we add this all, what we will be getting? 10 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 1 hour. So I could write this as 1 hour. 1 hour and 10 plus 5 is 15 minutes. So the time elapsed between the two clock is 1 hour 15 minutes. So let us revise this question again. Here in this question we have to find how many hours and minutes are there. Here the timing, it is 10:50 a.m. to 12:05 p.m. So 10:50 a.m. to 11 o'clock, 10 minutes are there. The gap, it is of the 10 minutes. Then from 11 a.m. to the 12 noon, 1 hour gap is there. 1 hour gap is there. And from 12 noon, the last timing, it is 12:05. 5 minutes gap is there. Now we have to add this all. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 1 hour 15 minutes is the time elapsed between these two clocks. Now let us do some of the word problems. That is your question number 5. Kavita waited for a bus from 4:45 until 5:10. How long did she wait for the bus? Now we will be doing some of the word problems. So before starting this word problem, let us do one more question like this, so that it would be more clear to you. Let us do one more question to find how many hours or minutes are there. Let us do the question number 3. What will be 4 hours after? Question number 3 we are doing of the exercise 10D. What will be 4 hours after? What will be 4 hours after? We have to find what will be 4 hours after. In A, the timing it is given 7:45 p.m. So we have to find the timing. What will be after 4 hours? 7:45 p.m. You have to add 4 hours in this time, and you have to tell the time. What will be the exact time 4 hours after? So first of all, what we'll be doing, we have to find the exact timing after the 4 hours. So here it is 7:45 7:45 p.m. So from 7:45 p.m. up to 8:00 p.m. up to 8 p.m. How many gap is there? Here it is 45, here it is 0. So 15 minutes interval is there. 15 minutes. Then from 8:00 p.m. to 9 o'clock, 1 hour gap is there. From 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. again 1 hour. So 1, 2 hours is done. Then from 10:00 p.m. to 11 o'clock, again 1 hour is there. Again 1 hour is there. Now from 11 p.m. I'll be writing here 11:45. 45 minutes are there. Now if I count all this, if I add this 1, 2, 3 hours, 15 and this 45, 15 plus 45 is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So total 4 hours is done. So after 4 hours, what will be the timing? The timing after the 4 hours will be 11:45 p.m. What will be the timing after 4 hours? The timing it will be 11:45 p.m. So again let us revise this question. What we have to find? What will be 4 hours after? Here the timing is given 7:45 p.m. So from 7:45 p.m. to 8 o'clock, 15 minutes gap is there. From 8 to 9 o'clock, 1 hour. From 9 to 10 o'clock, 1 hour. From 10 to 11 o'clock, 1 hour gap is there. And from 11 o'clock to 11:45 p.m., 45 minutes gap is there. If I add this all, 1, 2, 3 hours, and 15 plus 45 is 60. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So complete it is 4 hours. So after the 4 hour, the timing will be 11:45 p.m. Now let us do another question. Before, this is if you want to find the time before. Let us do one more question. Let us do one more question. Here, let us do one more question. 12 noon. 12, I have written here 12 noon. We have to find the time after 4 hours. What will be the timing in 12 noon? So, from 12 noon to 1 p.m. here the gap of 1 hour is there. Yes, and from 1 p.m. to again 2 p.m. again the gap of 1 hour. Then from 2 p.m. straight away I will be writing now to the 4 p.m. How many? 2 hours. So 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the timing after the 4 hour? It will be 4 p.m. The timing it will be the 4 p.m. Now what if I ask the time before? What will be the, you have to find the time just before. Here we had find the time just after. Now what if in the question it is given, you have to find the timing just before. We have to find the timing here just before. Just before, how we will be finding the timing? Now you all can look at the Question number 4. The question number 4. What will be 5 hours before? We have to find what will be the 5 hours before. I am just writing the time. We have to find the 5 hours before. (7:45 a.m.) We have to write the timing just before. So how I will be solving this? From 7:45 a.m. to, now we have to do the reverse counting. Okay, 7:45 minutes gap is there. Then here I will be writing this timing, that is 7:00 a.m. to 6 a.m. Again 1 hour gap is there, and from 6:00 a.m. to 5 o'clock again 1 hour gap is there, and again from 5 hour to 4 a.m. the gap of 1 hour is there. Now from 4 a.m. to 3 a.m. again 1 hour. How many hours are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours 45 minutes. So 3:00 a.m. to, here I will be writing the timing, 2:45 a.m. So how much difference is there here? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So 45 plus 15 is 60. 60 minutes. 60 minutes, it means 1 hour. So here total if you count 5 hours is there. So just 7:45 a.m. just before 5 hour, what will be the timing? The timing will be the 2:45 a.m. So again let us revise this question. What you have to find? What will be 5 hours before? Here the timing is given, that is 7:45 a.m. So from 7:45 a.m. to 7:45 minutes are there. From 7 to 6, 1 hour. Here you have to do the reverse counting. Backward. 6 to 5, 1 hour. 5 to 4, again 1 hour. 4 to 3, 1 hour. Now 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours is done and 45 minutes. How many are left? 15 minutes to complete 5 hours. So 15 minutes, 3, and here I will be writing 2:45. So here the difference, it is 15 minutes. So the timing will be 2:45 a.m. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and God bless you all.